Hey everyone, my name is Brittany Gear, and this is part 2 of the part 1 video you guys just seen of how to become a financial advisor. This is going to be more so talking about a day in the life of a financial advisor, and this is more so not a bank financial advisor, not a wirehouse financial advisor, more of a commission-based financial advisor I'm going to be talking about. So, wake up, obviously, you do your regular lifestyle of getting dressed, driving to the office. Usually when I'm driving to the office, I try to listen to the LPL research radio, where they're just talking about different things that happened in the market, or different things that they're seeing getting done, and what's in predictions and things like that. One thing I can honestly say is, as a financial advisor, even though we're not really physically doing the tradings like a stockbroker, and we're not an analyst where we're constantly looking at like 5 different screens and the graphs and the charts and all those things, it is very important to know what's going on in the market, because you actually have to talk about some of this stuff to your clients. You have to talk about some of this stuff to your prospects, so they know that you're knowledgeable. So it'll be very, very good for it to be in your best interest to know what's going on in the economy around you. So what I would say is Barron's is great. LPL's my favorite. CNBC stays on my TV day and night, all day. Like, I think if you could watch CNBC and just have it in the background, you'll know more than 80% of regular people. So I usually get to the office around 8:30. 8:30, you say hi to the people in the office, blah, blah, blah. But really, you're checking emails, you're looking at your schedule, you're trying to figure out what your schedule's gonna be like for the day. If you're already trying to figure out what your schedule's gonna be like trying to set it up, you're already lost. Like, you should have had it already planned, because you should already have meetings. You should already know what's going on. You should already know what clients you're going to be speaking to throughout the day. If you don't, that means you didn't set up your calendar schedule. Not only are you meeting with clients and you're talking to people and you're trying to get out in front of them, you also have to make sure that you're prospecting. I don't care what anybody tells you. When it comes to being a financial advisor, you are a salesman. Case closed. You're in sales. Because unlike the bank, where they give you a book of business, at a wirehouse, or if you're blessed that somebody gives you a book of business, but at a wirehouse and also like at a commission only, you have to get your own clients. You eat what you kill. That's what they say. So you need to be prospecting, marketing day and night. You should really wear financial advisor on your sleeve, because everybody, when you walk around, is an opportunity. Everybody that walks around is a prospect, because everybody has to deal with money, their finances, life insurance, retiring. People go through life crises. So everybody is a prospect. So you always have to be open-minded to see who your next potential client will be. So probably I'll do anywhere between 3 to 4 hours of cold calls. Yes, cold call people that I don't know. And then usually in the afternoon, that's when I have my meetings and things. So when it comes to prospecting, everybody prospects differently. It really just depends on your personality, and it just really depends on what you're good at. One thing I could definitely say is you need to figure out your style of being a financial advisor, because what works for your mentor or your manager or your colleague down the hall is not going to necessarily work for you. I had colleagues that would literally cold call from 8:30 to 6 o'clock at night if they had no appointments. Like, that's what they did. They went on Zoom Info, they downloaded a list from a corporation. I'm in North Jersey, so there's headquarters in New York City and North Jersey, all over the place. So they literally will go on Zoom Info, download a whole corporate list, and call everybody in that company. That's one way to prospect. In my opinion, I don't think that's the most efficient way. I think that's the easiest way for you to get burnt out and be like, yeah, fuck being a financial advisor, this isn't for me. But it works and people built their book of business, but I just know that's not me. Now there's other ways where you can prospect, where people do seminars, they do webinars, they have meetings, and they have a gathering, like a social. And that's usually, it takes time and effort. You got to find the venue, you have to find a caterer, you have to make sure you have projections, you have to have help, passing things out. And if you're great at public speaking, that's perfect, because you could have a very intimate seminar where, in my opinion, I think it's better to have an intimate seminar where there's like no more than 20 people, so you can make sure that you're talking to all of them. Sometimes having a huge crowd of like 100 to 200, you don't even get to talk to people. You don't really get to make that engagement, and that's where you miss out. If you're gonna have an event, you wanna make sure that you're talking to everybody, because you wanna make sure that those people write their name on the list so they could expect a callback from you. So in my opinion, I think I did a couple networking events, social seminars, and it was great. It was great. We drummed up business, we had meetings, and it's a good opportunity to meet clients. It's just the cost. You gotta pay. You have to pay for a place, a venue. You have to pay for food, so it takes money. Another way I think that I succeeded the most was online. Call me a millennial, but I like talking to clients that want to talk to me. I don't want to talk to anybody that doesn't want to talk to me, because I truthfully don't care about your time. I care about my time. I don't like to waste my time. So if you're calling me, that means that you're looking for my knowledge and my help and my assistance. And if I'm talking to you, I want to talk to you. I want to help you. I want to be that resource to you. I don't like calling and talking to people that say, hey, no, I don't want this information. I never requested it. Like, I don't know, where'd you get my number from? Honestly, the more and more people you have like that, the more and more your morale goes down. So I only like talking to people that want to talk to me. So one thing that I could say that helped my book of business, whether it was in the financial industry or whether it was with life insurance, because remember, as a financial advisor, you have to get your life and health, so technically you could sell life and health insurance, was I really dig deep in digital marketing. So I would like to say that I'm a digital marketing guru. I'm not saying I could help everybody out, every industry. If you sell cars or solar panels, I could like give you some pointers, but I just know in the financial space and in the life insurance space, I'm very good at finding and prospecting clients, and people that I'm talking to is people that want to talk to me. So I'm not reaching out to everybody. I'm not here to work for everybody. The best thing about being a financial advisor is you get to choose who you want to work with. And that's the beauty of it. I'm not meant for everybody, and that's okay. And I might not be the right advisor for everybody too, and that's okay. I just want you to find the right advisor you need to work with without wasting my time. So that's pretty much a day in the life of a financial advisor. If you have any questions, just put a comment below and I'll try to get to you guys as much as I can. But look forward to more videos coming, it'll be more informational, more of my experience. I guess it'll be pretty interesting stuff. All right, peace out.